Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this watch. Basically mute and unmute the sounds on your watch. Okay, first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it. After you wake up the screen, press the side button right here to open the controls menu. And here you have different controls. And what we are looking for is for the silent mode control, which is this one that looks like a bell icon. And if you want to enable the silent mode, you can simply tap on this bell icon. You will see the message silent mode on. The icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the silent mode, you can open the control menu again, find the icon, then tap on it. And you will see the message silent mode off. The icon will go back to the gray color, I would call it, or maybe not gray but transparent. And then you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.